When it comes to working at heights, your safety comes first. The Primegrip Fall Protection Kit has everything you need packed right inside our signature green bucket. Inside, you'll find a 50-foot or 25-foot single hook lifeline, a reliable rope grab with an energy-absorbing lanyard, a reusable roof anchor complete with a D-ring, and a 5-point full-body harness designed for comfort, security, and performance. Whether you're on residential rooftops or tackling tough commercial jobs, Primegrip gives you peace of mind with gear that's easy to use, quick to set up, and built to last. Stay safe and stay secure, because every step you take up there should be backed by confidence and protection.
Primegrip. Built battle strong.